I made this removable little control panel for my lights and all that shit. And I had a cup holder from an old bicycle. I'll show you how this thing works. So this thing's just clipped on here. Really, it just comes off. I can fucking hook this right here if I want. Put the wiring wherever. Like right here on the side. Then I can use that seat. I originally had it mounted right here, but it's kind of in the way, so came up with this idea. This clip originally came off of whatever the hell this thing is, but I just drilled some holes in the back of that, and yeah,